Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Ali from A1 Rapid Revenue's Facebook group. And as I promised, I've been having some difficulty finding out some methods to make this work with the forums advertising and traffic. But I found a really good one that actually works better than the ones that I told you guys about earlier. So I kind of wanted to come out here and kind of share a little bit of how I do it. And I've actually tested this just before I made this video, and I got probably another 12 or 13 leads in like an hour from it. So it works very effectively. One of the main things that you guys really want to focus on is giving value. Once you give value to someone, a lot of people would connect with you. A lot of people would try to contact you for help in whatever it is that you're trying to do or promote. So I'm kind of going to get right started into it and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So one of the biggest methods that I've been using for free traffic, and I have various traffic methods, paid and free, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of these things with you guys, as long as tips on how to spy on ads and just pretty much copy people's ads, their audiences, their targeting, and everything. But for now, we're just going to start with this video. And usually what I do is I go to Quora.com right over here. Quora is just another site where people post questions and get a lot of answers. A lot of people promote things. So you want to kind of stand out from the crowd. You don't want to just go in there and just promote your link. So you kind of want to offer value. And I know most of you will probably be like, oh, it's probably saturated with all the answers. But trust me, providing value, you'll see right now that a lot of questions and answers get a lot of votes and a lot of views. So usually what I do is let's just say I'm promoting Builderall, we'll say, because this is the Builderall group, I guess. And Builderall, say it's an affiliate company, so I just put affiliate marketing. Here it is right here. And you'll see over here, for someone willing to work 12 hours a day nonstop, how long would it take? You can always ask questions, answer things. How do I make a successful affiliate income? Things like that nature. So you can just click on one of these right here and try to see what the answers are and whatnot. As you see, like this one just got 228 views. That answer alone, you see. So it can be very effective, and it can be very helpful to somebody that's trying to promote their business. And these are very low numbers too, 100 views, 200 views. If you do like good research and you actually conduct like good answers, you'll see some of them with like 20, 30,000 views in a couple of days or a week, So a lot of people look at this stuff. So let's just say I wanted to go over here and just kind of answer a question over here. I kind of wrote a little pre-script, so you would just go right over here, comment. And I kind of wrote a little script right here. Never just go straight to the link or whatnot. Just be like, hey, I've been looking for an affiliate program as well that does not involve Amazon products, or whatever it is that they're asking. You can take that out and you just tell them, hey, I know it's really hard to find a good affiliate company to work with, but I usually go after companies that pay me passive income every month. I promote an affiliate company that pays me very well. It's easy to promote. I'm just giving you an example here. You can tweak it however you want. Let them know if you have any questions. Let me know. I hope I can help. Find little details about the company. Post some stats and whatnot. Tell them I'll post a link in the link below, in the comments below, if you'd like to see what I do. These things really influence people. I usually do this personally. I send out between 20 to 30 answers a day. And I do it through everything, whether it's affiliate marketing, I type in online marketing, whatever it is that I'm actually trying to promote, or that niche that I'm trying to promote. That's what I usually do. I go after that niche. So it's very, very effective. And just a few tips that I can really tell you. And yes, Quora does accept affiliate links, so don't worry about getting banned or blocked. But one of the biggest things that I really want to stress with you guys is always try to provide value. Providing value on Quora is something that's going to get you the responses back and the views. A lot of people will click. If you just go in there and just try to put hey, I do this company, here's my affiliate link, people are just going to think it's a scam. You know, a lot of people do that. Actually go in there with a good heart, you know, trying to really help people, trying to show people that, hey, this is a way that's really working for me and whatnot. Builderall is a great company. Okay, it has a lot of features that a lot of people can use. Look at right here. Let me just help you guys out with something else. Web development, web design. How many people you think can use this? And which website can graphic designers meet their clients? Where is it? There's a lot of what is a video editing website similar to Canva. There's so many questions that you can answer that could help people, and they would really benefit from it. I mean, there's a lot of people. You have to promote yourself. You look for a job, LinkedIn. There's just a lot of questions you can answer that have been went viral. And like I said, the main thing is to just make sure you're providing value. You're really talking to these people as if you're really trying to help them out, you know. And the other tip that I would really give you right now is, aside from just feeding people, you know, true, compassionate information, I would really stress the fact that you should, one second, let me see. See, I would usually send them to this site right here. This is my funnel, or not mine, but I use it, and has their steps. I have about 2 or 3 different I have 3 different actual affiliate programs in here, and one of them is actually free. It's one of my friend's funnels. Very smart guy. So that's really it on Quora. Just make sure you guys are actually just finding some good questions. And other tip that I told you I would tell you is, make sure you're consistent with it. You might not see results from day one. That's normal. You know, I know some people tried it and they message me right away and they're like, hey, I didn't get any views, or I didn't get any leads or whatnot. It's not, you know, abracadabra. It's going to happen overnight. You know, but doing it consistently, one of your answers is going to blow up. It's going to go viral. It's going to get 30, 40, 50,000 views. You're going to get 3, 4, 5, 600 leads. You're going to get signups. It just happens when you put your business, when you put yourself out there that much. Somebody and some people are just going to like what you're showing. It's going to happen. But you will get views with this method. You will get leads and you will get sales. I've done it. I did it my first 24 hours and I got 3 sales, you guys seen. So it's very effective. Just make sure you're promoting good value, and you guys are just posting consistently every day. Do the 20 to 30, 40 questions a day. Set aside an hour, hour and a half, and you'll see the results. So with Quora, it's not too hard. It's very simple. If you guys have any questions, you know, message me, inbox me on Facebook. You guys know my Facebook. I'll post it in the group. But also, I do want to mention that I'm going to be coming out with some paid traffic methods, my actual vendors and sources that I use. And soon enough, you know, I said if we can get about 300-400 members into the group, I'm going to be releasing softwares that I personally use to automate my whole business. It does my auto postings, it spies on my ads, it creates me lists. I'll be sharing a lot of things with you guys that you would really take to skyrocket your business. There's a lot of things that I want to show you guys, and you know, just be patient. You know, just stick with the group. Let's try not to spam it, and we'll just create good value in there. There's just tons of information that a lot of people paid money for that I'm just going to offer for free. I'm just being real here, and the reason being is because I was put in your shoes before, so I know how it is to just buy product after product and software after software and just not see any results. So I kind of took the best things and put them together, and I'll just be providing that value for free for you guys and everybody in the group, you know. So just stay tuned. Invite as many friends that you truly think would benefit from this. Invite them to the group. Let them engage with us, and you know, that's the main thing. Just stay tuned for more things and just engage. Message me if you have any answers. Comment if you'd like, and I'll be coming out with the next video and some other tips as well that I'll post. All right. You guys all have a good day, and I hope this one method out of 1,000 methods would help you guys a little bit, and trust me, there is more to come. Have a wonderful day, guys.